If your Q1 SKO includes external content designed to jumpstart the replenishment of your pipeline, because your sellers and partners closed every deal they could in Q4, then have you thought backwards about where thought leadership fits into your plan? So you've got a February SKO or a pack or a cab type event. Then would you want new thought leadership content to drop about the same time? If so, you'd want enablement sessions during kickoff to make sure the sellers and marketers and event planners were aligned on the narratives. The report could launch about the same time as SKO, but you probably want a couple weeks after kickoff for people to heal up and for your teams to support audience acquisition for the webinar or launch event. If that's going to happen in February, then assume that January is about just getting back up to speed from the holidays and getting ready for kickoff. So you really only have bandwidth to queue up that near final content. That means December is really content creation time, but since some people are going to take vacation, you probably want to get that started in November. So then October is for narratives and go-to-market strategy, which means September is when you're looking at the data or whatever else you're going to be using to fuel that thought leadership. And here we are in August. So if you're thinking about thought leadership as part of your SKO or for pipeline replenishment in Q1, then now is the time to talk about where that content is going to come from. At DPM, we can help you with how orgs are aligned, or not, across the BCDRRMIS continuum. What IT decision makers want from MSPs across the range of BAS, DRAS, and CRAS. Where AI is differentiating within IT backup and DR and cyber resilience, as well as customer confidence in their ability to ensure the resilience of production AI. And later this year, we'll be in the field looking at different types of storage and services and form factors that IT buyers want, as well as changes in hypervisor and hyperscale strategies and their effects on 2027. If you're thinking about SKOs in Q1, let's have a conversation now on how we can help.